Hello and welcome to Theme Park Explorer. Today we're back at Alton Towers. It's the 2nd of July, I believe, and it's the weekend. And the main reason why we've come here is actually because the waterfalls have turned on Congo River Rapids, so we've come to take a look at that. Anyway, we'll see you at Congo River Rapids. So a few minutes ago I just had my ride on Congo River Rapids and it's a great ride again. With the waterfalls you actually get a lot more drenched. Some people got very wet, some people didn't. Obviously it's luck of the draw. But anyway, I'm going to go to Coach House Confectionery now and get a black ice cream again, which is one of my favourites.
This is a biohazard risk containment zone. All hazardous material has been made safe for civilian viewing.
So I've just been on Wicker Man and it was a great ride as always. But there was this group of 5 people and they were quite rowdy. But as they got into the station they vaped and they got kicked straight off and they had to wait again on the ride. So I thought it was a great thing for operators. They kept swearing and things. But great thinking by the operator to kick them out, because you don't really need people vaping in the Wicker Man station. There's already enough smoke in there as it is. Anyway, we're going to head on back to Galleons now and we'll see you after. So we had our ride on Battle Galleons. Sorry, I completely forgot what it was called. That was a good ride. One of the guns didn't work, but apart from that it's perfect. But we're gonna head home now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.